Hey guys, if you are looking for a way to fix no edit option on Facebook post error, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix those annoying errors so that you can edit your post again. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. I'll walk you through different ways to fix this issue, and the very first one is to check whether you are using the updated version of Facebook app or not. So in order to do that, you simply have to go to Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to simply search for Facebook. Now at right next to the Facebook, it will either says update or open. If it says update like me, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible, because updating your app to a new version might fix a bug or a glitch in the Facebook app. So if the first solution doesn't fix your issue, then let's move to the next one, which is to clear Facebook app data. So in order to do that, you simply have to open up your phone settings. Here you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to go to app. From here you have to simply search for Facebook. Once you are on the screen, simply click on storage and cache. From here you have to clear cache and clear storage, and it will clear all of the data that is associated with Facebook app, including on any of the corrupted data. But don't worry, it will not affect your Facebook account and all of its posts. You just have to log in back into your Facebook account. Hopefully this will fix your issue. But if unfortunately it doesn't fix your issue, let's move to the next solution, which is that you simply have to uninstall your Facebook and you have to again install it, and after that all of your issues will be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.